Okay, so this is my new baby. I still have not named. The trim was perfect until the blowout last night. And then it ruined this. So we're either going to have to try to fix it in his shop or find other trim. You sending those to Joe?
I'm going to, yeah.
Okay, so one floor pan's been, okay, let me tell you something. These got a little buckling right there, but for a 1969 car, it's just fantastic shape. There's spider egg sacs in the door, not cool with that. We're gonna have to get that out. Man, this thing's in good shape. The headliner's in good shape. These will have to be replaced. But except for a small rip down there, the seat's in great shape. I love the original. These kind of seat belts are hard to find, y'all.
Ooh, that's one hot piece of metal. Good God.
Door jams are really solid, except for the front floor pans. This car is really, and the back floor pan, babe.
Yeah, I know.
But this car is really solid. But it did come with a thing of sheet metal. This is the trim that's missing on the rocker panel on the driver's side, but it's on this side. But it did come with sheet metal to repair. So I cannot believe what good shape this car is in. This is like in really good shape. We have to replace the rubber, which is normal for 69. I mean, it's an old car. Apparently this belonged to, from what I found when I put the VIN number into Google when we were there yesterday, and there was an old ad from last year where it was in Georgia. Apparently this belonged to a guy, an old man that died, and then his son sold the car to the dealership or whoever was selling the car. So that happened. It did have an engine in it, and in September of last year it had an engine in it, so somebody took the engine out. So but the engine bay is in fantastic shape except for the battery tray. That's normal for the battery tray to need to be replaced. Motor mounts look great. Shock towers look great. Everything comes with the original wiring harness, which helps a lot. Everything looks great. It's got the original stickers on it. This is a really, really, really nice car. Oh, there's a spider on the window. Spider! Yeah, this is what happened last night. This is why I did not vlog. I just totally forgot because this was just crazy, y'all. Crazy. Here. Alright, La Speed today. You're gonna have to go somewhere else. Ooh, that's a nasty looking spider.
Where?
I'm scared he's gonna jump on me. He's got the long arms.
Oh, wow.
I don't want to kill him, but I might have to. So, it's the steering wheel. Yeah, this is the only rip, and that can be kind of repaired. We might even be able to just tape that. I don't care. Alright. 51,000 original miles. Anybody that knows old car, you know what that is? Tell me what that is in the comments if you know what it is. Man, this thing's in good shape. I'm really super pleased with this car. This is an even better deal than I thought it was. It's in really good shape. And I love that it's a Survivor. It's original. The paint's original. The interior's original. It's just in wonderful shape. I'm so pleased. Oh, my water's out here. Oh, another reason why I know for a fact that it's 51,000 miles only. Check this out. Solid. Let me show you the driver's door. The driver's door is always the first thing to sag on its hinges. No sagging. Solid shut. This is a 51,000 mile car. Amazing. Amazing. Well, he's in his forever home now.
Ooh, that comes hot.
I'm sure.
That trim's in good shape.
How are you going to take that out with the floorboard being gone? Isn't that dangerous?
What?
The seats.
No, they're fine.
I know you're going to need help, but I don't know what to do.
Get it out of the hole on this side.
Do you want me to help lift it up or something?
Maybe. Let's see. Let me pull. See if I can pull it out. And if I need your help, I'll have you help push it.
I asked if it was going to break that stud off.
No. Nice. Get some dog food. Oh, there. Okay.
Yep. Alright. Sad Panda. Sometimes underneath the back seat you'll find a build sheet. That's very valuable to car owners. They don't do it anymore. They did it back in the old days. It may not have had one to begin with, or somebody may have taken it, but this one doesn't have a build sheet, so Sad Panda. I was hoping. But this is what original seat belts. Extremely hard to find. Very expensive when you do. I'm very happy to see those. This looks really good. This floor panel will need to be patched like the front ones, but other than that, this car is really solid. It's really nice. I fucking love this. I love this car. I love it so much.
Get my gloves. Alright, I'm gonna start getting the trash at the car and throw it away. And then any more parts I'll put right here. So,
Alright.
and then me hot in that car. My gloves on.
Well, I don't blame you. Sometime today I gotta put some water in that fountain too. I mean in the pond.
Yeah.
Said I had to move it. I needed a little bit of room to work. This is as clean as this thing's getting, babe.
Alright.
It just, I mean, maybe if y'all got some kind of conditioner or something that works. I gotta put this aside. I want to save this so it can be glued back on. I want to show you something. Everybody that grew up in the 70s or earlier remember this from either their grandparents' car or their mom and dad's car. An ashtray behind the front seat, so people in the back seat can have an ashtray. This one unfortunately still has cigarette butts in it, so we're gonna have to get those out. But that's pretty freaking cool. So since I did this seats, Matt is doing the dash and everything. See how it dries back up just like it was? But at least really there's no surface dust on it now. It's a really nice shape though. I love it's got a cassette player in it. I hope it freaking works.
Me too.
I know that's not original to the car, but I still love it. Because 69, they would have had an 8-track.
Yeah, it would probably have been an AM FM 8-track.
Okay, wait. What is that hook for? Did it used to have dealer air down there?
No, that's for gauges.
Oh, well, I'm a dumb fuck. Well, good. Then we can put in gauges for the heat and stuff instead of using the idiot lights.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't like idiot lights. Okay. I'm going to use my husband's words because it's true. If you rely on idiot lights on your car, once the light comes on, it's already too late. So if you have an older car that has idiot lights or whatever, if you wait for that light to tell you your car is overheating, it's too far gone. So it's good to put in other gauges that will tell you the temperature of your car and that such. Tip of the day. Well, hi there, honey. You picking up anybody? I'm looking for a ride. While I'm over here trying to pick up my husband for a cheap date, look, he's wiped off. I don't know if this will show up on the camera. He's wiped off part of the headliner,
And that
and you
there
can
I have
see.
it.
Yeah, you can. Right now it's showing up. You can see the dirty part and the clean part. What a big difference, huh? And both visors are intact. They flip up and stay up. Usually by now, either one or both are gone, or they're hanging down because this part gets weak. And so they just hang down and it's impossible to keep them up. So this is another freaking awesome thing about this car. Monkey's like, my friend is out there and he's not paying attention to me.
Monkey. Hi, Monkey.
Okay, this will be the last part of our day. Getting the seats back in.
Alright. And gearing goes in first. It's a little awkward.
Yeah, be careful you don't fall through the floor pans.
God. Oh no.
No, that's fine. Just to where we can set it on the floor, and that's it. Okay. Thank you.
Cool.
That's it.
No.
Thank you.
You need the back one? You're good.
Oh, no, the back one's good.
Okay. Thanks, Josh.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank y'all.
All right, man. Thank you.
I'm glad the Mustang's running. That's awesome.
Yay.
Man, that was awesome. I'm
That is
so
awesome.
That's
stoked.
awesome.
I'm so excited that it's running.
I think we can race one day. Me
In-
and Matt.
Oh,
Because I think you'll beat me.
And that, well, I don't know. Yours may get me.
Really?
I don't know. Let's hit the seat. Now that one's fast. That one will run circles around mine.
Really?
Oh yeah. Oh
That's
yeah.
why I didn't want to race her. Okay, see y'all later.
All right, bye.
Thank you.
Okay. Ouch! I stepped on something. Okay, so that is the end of the day. But one thing. A name. Monkey, that's enough. What did we name the car? What did we name the car? Well, it's actually a very strange thing. I was tossing around names for the car the last 2 days, and male, female, and even early in the vlog, I know I said I felt like it was a male, but there was a female name that I liked last night that I was like, I like it, but I don't know. Monkey, no. I was like, I like it, but I don't know. And then, because I thought Matilda. I love the movie. And, I don't know. I just felt like that. Well, then, from the vlog that I posted about the road trip where we went and got it, my friend Shay said, my inner car is telling me the car's name is Matilda. I mean, seriously. Matilda, it's not like it's a common name. You don't hear it very often. So it's not like it was like Sue or Bob or something like that. Matilda. So I said, you know what? That's a sign. The car's name is Matilda. Just one last thing. I had to edit the end of that because tomorrow there will not be a Gothic Witch's Kitchen tomorrow. It will be Tuesday because of the road trip yesterday. We did not do our grocery shopping. We have planned on doing it today. And I did not know that our grocery store was going to be closed on Easter. So I don't have anything like ingredients to make for Gothic Witch tomorrow. So Gothic Witch will be Tuesday. My friend Marie did a Disney Parks tag. So that's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.